Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to pose for a picture without thinking too much about that. So I want to tell you a few tips and tricks which I use in my personal photos, and I hope that will help you in some way. Before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Also press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram. I provided the link in description box below. So without any further, let's get into the video. So guys, first posing idea which I want to share with you is play with your hairs. You can play with your hairs in a different ways, like this and like this. I'm just giving you some examples of my pictures. These are some pictures and posing ideas which will help you to understand what I want to say. So guys, moving on to the next poses idea. So this posing idea is very useful for shy girls. Yeah, it's just hide your face with your head. Like you can set your hairs like this and your face will be hide. So this is a really very fantastic pose you can use if you're a shy girl. You can hide your face behind your hand like this. So guys, moving on to the next poses idea. If you're in your room and want to click a unique posing pictures, so you can lay down and just go through. I'm just giving you, these are some examples in front of you so that you can understand what I want to say. If you have someone with you, so you can say them that please click my pictures, like आप ऐसे करके lay down हो जाना and they will click like this. And if you have no one like me, so don't worry, fan है ना अपना, तो fan के ऊपर आप ऐसे just ऐसे रख दो अपना फ़ोन, से ऑन मत करना गलती से, हाँ तो ऐसे करके अपना फ़ोन रख दो, just नीचे आप लेट जाओ and टाइमर लगा दो पर, या फिर एक काम करना वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग लगा दो और जस्ट रिकॉर्ड होती रहेगी, आप पोस्ट करते रहो. आफ्टर रिकॉर्डिंग उसमें से स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लेना एंड देन एडिट एंड पोस्ट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. Yeah, it's very easy. So moving on to the next posing ideas. So like first one, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, play with your hairs. You can play with your face also, yeah. So you can touch your body also like this. So the next pose is very easy. सब लोगों ने ट्राई किया होगा, लाइक गॉगल्स वाला जो होता है ना, गॉगल्स पहन कर आप स्ट्रेचिंग करके कहीं पर भी देखते रहो. लाइक 90s में भी ये चलता था, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में था, अभी भी है. एवरग्रीन पोज है, यू कैन ट्राई. दीज आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मी. Whenever you wear a goggle and just wear it on your nose और आपकी eyes अगर दिखते, so it will look so stunning. So next posing idea, which is last but not the least, you can use a prop which is a book, जो सबके घर में अवेलेबल होती है. जस्ट आपको क्या करना है कि आपको बुक लेनी है, देन जस्ट एक्टिंग दैट यू आर रीडिंग दैट बुक. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this video would help you in some way. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. I provided the link in description box below. So guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.